Welcome. In today's video, we're going to learn how to mute someone on WhatsApp, quickly, easily, and with the latest steps. Whether you want to mute a group chat that's constantly buzzing or a friend who sends messages a bit too often, this guide will help you take control of your notifications. Let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. You'll start on the home screen where you can see your chats. If you're not already there, make sure you're on the Chats tab. It's the one that shows your recent conversations. Next, look through your list of chats and find the conversation you want to mute. Once you've found it, tap and hold that chat. Don't open it. Just hold your finger down for a second until it becomes highlighted. You'll notice that some icons appear at the top of your screen, and that's where the mute option will show up. Now, tap the little speaker icon with a line through it. That's the mute button. Once you tap it, WhatsApp will show you several duration options. You can choose to mute that chat for 8 hours, 1 week, or always, which means permanently, until you decide to turn notifications back on. Select the duration that works best for you. If you pick always, you'll stay uninterrupted indefinitely. Once you make your choice, you'll see a small mute symbol next to that chat. This means it's successfully muted. And that's it. You won't get sound or vibration alerts from that conversation anymore. But the messages will still come through silently, so you can read them anytime you want. If you ever change your mind, just repeat the steps and unmute the chat to receive notifications again. Taking a moment to customize how and when you get notified can make your day so much calmer and more focused. So go ahead, mute the noise, and enjoy some peace of mind.